Fix live sound problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix live sound problem easy and quick. All you need to do is go to settings and click on app, and here click on manage app and scroll down, search for your Instagram application, tap on it and click on clear cache and click on OK. And here you have to wait for a second, and now go back, and this will help you to solve your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next video.